I want to be completely honest with you. When I was in my college, I never had to worry about my college fees at least. Of course, I was not getting a lot of money to just waste and spend on my friends and parties, but at least for my college fees, I didn't have to worry. But I've spoken to hundreds of students over the last 2 years, and one thing that keeps coming up is not the exams, it's money. You know, the fees of private engineering colleges, it's between 15 to 30 lakhs. Private medical colleges, 7 to 30 lakhs. And private MBA, we cannot even think of that. So the opportunity and the market is real. And most families are taking loans to pay these fees, dipping into savings and silently struggling. So I asked one question to myself: if I was 19 again, with like zero savings and zero support, starting from scratch today in 2026, how would I pay my own college fees? And that's exactly what this video is. Not theory, not just be consistent bro type thing. In the video, I'll tell you real methods, real numbers, and real plan that I would have personally followed. Hi everyone, my name is Shivangi Tiwari and welcome back to my channel. I started my career as a software engineer, transitioned into product manager and moved to Dubai. Parallelly, I was doing freelancing, and after that, I started my own agency. Its name is Brandinia. So without any further ado, let's start the video. And before jumping into the methods, let me give you a context that will make everything else make sense. India's gig workforce crossed 1.2 CR workers in 2026, and it grew 55% in just 4 years. India's digital economy hit 52 lakh crores in 2025. And here is a number that matters most for you. Students in India are currently earning anywhere from 6,000 to 65,000 per month through online gigs right now while studying. And this is not a hypothetical number, that's platform data from Timbago, one of the India's largest student gig platforms. The only question is which method makes sense for your situation, your skills, and your time. That's what I'm going to break down today and tell you exactly what's worth your time and what's just noise on the internet. Now, before I tell you what I would do, I want to first make this clear to you that what I would not do, because the internet is full of people who want to sell shortcuts to you that don't really work. So I would avoid online surveys and micro tasks. You'll spend 2 to 3 hours filling the surveys and doing the micro tasks just to earn 200 rupees. Your time is worth more than that. Next is trading with small capital. I know it's exciting, but it's very risky, because if you're starting with 5,000 rupees, you cannot make meaningful returns, and most beginners just lose the money that they already have. So don't touch this trading wala field until you have enough savings and actual knowledge to do it. Then very common generic Fiverr gigs with no skill behind them. I'll do data entry for rupees 500. The race to the bottom will burn you out before you actually make anything real. So the method that actually work in 2026 require one thing: a real learnable skill. Not a lot of time, not a lot of money, but a real skill. Now let me walk you through what I would build level by level. So level 1 is something you can start without a lot of prior knowledge or prior experience. And practically you would take somewhere around 2 to 4 weeks to learn and get started. So method number 1 is content writing and scripting. If you are good at writing, this is the fastest entry point. And when I say content writing, I don't mean blog writing where you get 0.5 rupees for one word. I'm talking about script writing, LinkedIn ghost writing, and social media script. This has real money. A decent script writer charges somewhere between 3,000 to 8,000 rupees per script. A LinkedIn ghost writer charges between 15,000 to 40,000 rupees per month per client. And I personally know a lot of my creator friends keep looking for good script writers, and there is a huge demand. Another thing, I have my own agency. I have a lot of clients for whom I keep looking forward to LinkedIn ghostwriters. I keep looking forward to people who can do good research and write good scripts. And honestly, it's very difficult to find the good ones. So if you have that skill and if you can polish it and become better, you are definitely hireable. Now, this is my personal experience. How you can start is the most important part of your script is going to be your hook and the structure and format. So first of all, you have to learn how to create the hook. Then comes your scripting part, and then comes the tone of the platform, because your script style is going to change platform by platform. For example, for LinkedIn, if you're writing, the content style is going to be different. For Instagram, it's going to be different. For YouTube, it's going to be different. So you have to understand the hook, the content style and structure, and the platform tone. And if you really want to learn, you can spend some time on YouTube or read some articles and scripts to get started. Now, how you will get clients? So you have to shortlist a few founders or a few agencies or maybe a few favorite creators of yours and write 2-3 sample scripts for them and then DM them. Either DM them through Instagram or LinkedIn or just mail them. I know initially it's like you're writing for free and you're not getting paid, but this is how you have to get started. You cannot immediately reach out and ask for payment, because first of all, they should be knowing you, they should be knowing your work, And then it should be them who are liking your work and reaching out to you. So even if you start with 1 or 2 clients, 5,000 to 15,000 is something you can realistically start earning month by month. Then comes short form editing. I'm going to be straight with you. This is the best skill you can learn in 2026. Every creator needs reel, every founder needs reels, and every brand needs reels. And 75% of beginners earn their first 5,000 within 30 days of starting to offer this service. That's the real data. Starting rates could be somewhere around 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per reel. As you get better, you can charge rupees 8,000 to 15,000 per reel. One student I know makes 1.2 lakhs per month just by editing, and he's just 18 years old. And if you don't believe me, you can also see the screenshots of some editors with their charges. This is me personally asking them how much do they charge, and this is the response I have got. Now, how you can start? You can learn CapCut or Premiere Pro, and mostly from YouTube you can learn. Then you have to practice, because that's the most important part. There is no theory in editing, it's mostly practice. Edit 4 to 5 videos of existing creators even without getting paid, just to build your portfolio. Next step, either you can post your videos on your own Instagram channel or YouTube channel and you can get inbounds, or you can reach out to founders, creators, or brands on mail. And yes, because I also have a lot of clients, I keep hunting for editors as well. But to find good editor is really hard. Until and unless you attach your portfolio, it's very difficult for me or for anyone to see your work and hire you. So make sure you learn well, practice well, and create a good portfolio before you reach out to anyone, and also attach your portfolio in the mail. The next is social media management. This is definitely underrated. You know, small businesses, local brands, big content creators, doctors, coaches, restaurant owners, all of them, they need someone who can take care of their social media account, handle them, post content on them, and track day-to-day activity on it. And most of them, they don't want to hire a full-fledged agency, because agencies in general charge huge money. So they want to hire students who can understand the basics and at least take care of the basic hygiene of the platform. So if you want to do social media management, you can charge somewhere between 5,000 to 15,000 per client per month. So that means even if you close 2 clients of 5,000 rupees, you can make at least 10,000 rupees in a month. Now, how you can start? So pick any one platform, either it is LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. Manage your friend or any local businesses page for free, at least for a month, just to add it in your portfolio. Then you can use this as a case study to pitch to your paying clients. Next method is to become a digital assistant. This one nobody talks about, but it works incredibly well. Early stage founders and creators need help with daily tasks, research, scheduling, email drafting, basic design, and organizing files. They pay 8,000 to 20,000 a month for a reliable student. And the hidden benefit is you learn how real businesses function, how their operations work from inside. And you know, some of these opportunities turn into internships and also eventually into full-time offers. Now, how you can start? So you can reach out to founders on LinkedIn directly, message them with this. Yes, this is a very effective way to reach out. That's it. It's simpler than it sounds. But of course, you cannot expect that if you're reaching out to 10 founders, 10 of them are going to reply, maybe one, maybe none. So that means you have to increase the frequency of reaching out to founders, but it is going to definitely work. Okay, so before we move to level 2, I want to understand from you that out of all the methods that I've told you, which one you think is easier to start first and getting executed. And with the answers, I'm going to get an idea that on which particular method you need a detailed video. Now let's move to level 2. This is where real money is. In this first method is build and sell websites using AI. A junior of mine is making rupees 85,000 per month just by creating websites using AI and selling them to small businesses. He doesn't code, he uses AI builders. He finds clients through small agencies who bring him projects. And along with his studies, he's able to do 4 to 5 projects in a month, and he's done. Now, I want to show you how easy it is to create and sell websites in 2026 with the help of AI. Because the biggest barrier is people think that website creation is a very complicated task. But no, it's not. Not anymore. And honestly, a few years ago, I would have agreed that it was intimidating. You have to buy a domain separately, figure out hosting, install WordPress, configure plugins, fix random technical bugs. And here, most people quit before they even get started. But today, AI has completely changed this. I've been using Hostinger Horizon, and what genuinely surprised me is how different the experience is now. You just have to describe what you want in plain English, and it builds a complete website for you live in minutes. So you can see this is how the Hostinger Horizon dashboard looks like. You'll see 4 plans: Explorer, Starter, Hobbyist, and Hustler. The main difference is the monthly AI credits. For starting out, Explorer or Starter is more than enough. I'll go ahead with the most popular plan. Now, since we are talking about paying your own college fees through freelancing, let me build the kind of website you'd make for a local client. So I'm going to type, create a professional website for a dental clinic in Mumbai called Smile Care Dental. Include a home page with a strong hero section, a service page listing dental clinic braces, root canal, an appointment booking form, patient testimonials, and a contact form. Design should be clean, modern, trustworthy, and mobile friendly. Color scheme should be white and teal. Now hit the enter button and watch. I'm not writing even a single line of code. no plugins, no templates to configure. The AI is building the entire website, homepage, services, booking form, testimonials, contact page automatically. There it is. But here's what I want to show you next, because no website is perfect on first attempt. So now we have to basically refine it a little bit. Add the client's logo to the header and footer. Make the hero headline say, "Trusted dental care in Mumbai, 5,000 plus happy patients." Now it is updating. Next prompt we can add is add a floating WhatsApp button on the bottom right so patients can contact instantly. See, it's updating again. Another prompt that we can enter is make the appointment booking form includes field for name, phone number, preferred date, and type of treatment. Now it looks like a real clinic website and not a template. Now when you click on the publish button, the website will go live instantly. SSL is included, hosting is included, custom domain connected directly inside Hostinger, everything is included. And for this plan starts under 600 rupees a month. Now here is how you make money from this. Now you can charge the clinic rupees 8,000 to 15,000 for a setup. Keep them on rupees 1,500 to 3,000 per month for hosting management and updates. Now with only 2 website projects a month, you can make a decent amount of money. Now how you can find clients? So you can go on Google Maps, search salon near me or dentists in your particular city. So you can find businesses with no website or the businesses with outdated websites. Build a demo for them using Horizons with their actual name, logo and their city, and send it to them on WhatsApp with this message. So the demo does the selling, you just have to show up. Now, I would highly recommend you to check out Hostinger Horizons today. Link is there in my description. And yes, don't forget to use my coupon code to get additional discount. Now, next method is freelancing on Upwork or TopTal. So Upwork's earning potential for Indian freelancers right now is rupees 30,000 to 1.5 lakhs per month, depending on your skill. The key is don't start with a saturated skill, start with a specific one. Not I do graphic design, but I create LinkedIn carousel posts for B2B SaaS founders. The more specific your niche is, the less competition you get and the faster you get the clients. Here are the 3 steps to get your first Upwork client. Build a profile with a specific niche, apply to 10 jobs a day with a genuinely customized proposal, do the first project for slightly below your target rate, get a review, and after 3 reviews, raise your rate. Next method is online tutoring, but yes, do this differently. Everybody says do online tutoring, but most of them do it wrong. So the problem is people who want to do online tutoring, they try to compete with established platforms. Here is how I would do it instead. Pick one subject you know well. Could be JEE Chemistry, could be Class 10 Mathematics, could be English Communication for working professionals. Don't join any platform. Instead, create a rupees 499 or rupees 999 mini course on Gumroad on your own page. Record 5 to 7 short videos, write a simple guide, sell it once and earn from it multiple times. You know, a friend of mine made a 999 rupees communication skill PDF, 3 video guide and sold it to 200 students in 3 months. That's 2 lakh rupees. Next, let's talk about level 3. So this is going to be a long-term game. These will take more time, but if you're serious about not just paying your own fees, but also gaining financial independence during your college itself, this is where you should be ending up. So the first method is content creation. Now, content creation in 2026 is not as same as 2022 or 2023 when it was about TikTok, about going viral, about using platforms just for virality. It's not the same anymore. It's about building trust with a specific audience so that opportunities automatically come to you. I'll give you my own example. I've got 2 jobs because of LinkedIn, which is a platform where I used to create content. Then a lot of brand sponsorship, promotions, UGC ads, all of that through content creation. And yes, also eventually building up my own agency for which I've not run any paid ads until now. I've not done any promotions as such, but I get most of my clients through inbound leads only. So this is the power of content creation. When you're visible, when your work is visible, opportunities automatically come to you. And let me be very clear to you, content creation doesn't mean that you need 1 lakh followers to get opportunities. Even with right 1,000 followers, you can get a lot of opportunities which you cannot even imagine. So the way to get started is pick one platform, select a niche and be consistent at least for 90 days. Next method is building a small agency with your friends. So I'll tell you, even I never thought that I will be able to start my own agency at such an early age. But when you have the skill, you have the right set of audience to whom you can sell your services or your product, you just think of leveling up your work profile. So there are different kind of agencies on which you can work upon along with your friends. First could be an influencer marketing agencies where you collaborate with a brand. Then you look for influencers to promote the particular product or services of that brand, and you take a commission in between. The next could be video editing agency where you can do short form video editing, long form video editing, podcasts, and faceless channel editing, thumbnails, all of that. And another could be a social media agency where you can do end-to-end social media management. There are so many other options and niches in which you can start your agency depending on your skill set and your interest areas. So one of my friend has an agency where they do website creation for different small and local brands. And to be honest, to start an agency and to manage a team of people who are doing work for you, you don't need a lot of corpus. I've even seen college students crossing a revenue of 10 lakhs per year just with their agencies. Okay, now let's put it all together and create a practical plan which can help you get started and execute it fast. Because knowing what you have to do and having a plan to get it executed are two different things. So first month, pick one level 1 skill and go deep into it. Not 2, not 3, just one skill and learn it properly. Even if it takes 20 to 30 hours, and then build 2 to 3 samples. After that, reach out to at least 10 to 15 potential clients. Even if one responds to you, you are good. That's going to be your first client from which you can earn 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. Next month, you have to turn your skill into a system. Now keep delivering to your existing client and raise your rate slightly. And yes, of course, in between that also, you have to spend 30 minutes to reach out to new clients. Month 3, you have to add a level 2 method. Now that you have some income and confidence, layer something more scalable on top of it. Maybe you start building a website, or maybe you list on Upwork. Month 6, you should be targeting to make 20,000 to 50,000 per month. So this is something which is not guaranteed, but it's realistic if you stay consistent. And once you're able to achieve that, that's 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakhs per year, which for many private colleges covers a significant chunk of their fees, or their living expense, or their hostel. So I hope all of it gave you some realistic ideas, plans, and methods to get started. Now, no false hopes. None of this is easy. You have to be really consistent even when you don't feel like doing. It all requires handling rejections, clients who don't respond, clients who don't do your payment on time, projects you deliver but then they still don't fall through. And every person you look up to, or every bhaiya didi you admire and you feel like you want to do like them, they have faced as many rejections as you cannot even imagine. I have applied to more than 60, 70 companies before I got one job offer. I also sometimes struggle for clients, payments, brand promotions, all of that. That's very normal, and that shows that you are reaching one level up to your success. And I know how it feels. It's hard when you don't see immediate results, but here is what I know for certain. Every person I've seen succeeded had one thing in common. They started before they were ready, before they felt confident, before they had a perfect plan. So you don't need a perfect setup. You just need a laptop, internet, and the willingness to try something uncomfortable at least for the next 90 days. If you can do that, your fees is going to be the beginning and not the ceiling. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post my new video. Thank you so much.